This 2022 Forest River XLR Boost 37 TSX13 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 39 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleep's 10 LP detector, air conditioning, skylight, awning, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, oven, water heater, slide-out, microwave, and 86 gal fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River XLR Boost 37 TSX13 is 12,687 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.